Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you, and before you were born, I consecrated you. I appointed you a prophet to the nation. Jeremiah 1:5. I love this verse. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français. I wrote it in French if you don't read English. This verse right here tells you God knew you before you were born. God knows of you before you were born. Dieu te connaît avant que tu es né. I hope you guys enjoy this video just as much as I enjoy making it. So I realized I didn't show you guys my technique on how I did my rice water. So I used my hamata, however way you say that, rice. I placed inside that container right there. I used tap water, warm tap water. After I was done, I placed in this container and I shut it in there for 72 hours. So yeah. Chérie Nanga, comment ça va? Today's rice water. No, look right here. No, right here. Yes, look right there. Good. Rice water. Yes. L'eau de riz. Je vais vous montrer comment j'utilise l'eau de riz with my with my conditioner. So I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition my hair with rice water. Tu pars où? Where you going? Oh, I thought you were leaving somewhere. We got business to show, girl. So, yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my rice water with my deep conditioner process. And je vais vous montrer comment j'utilise ça. First and foremost, rice water. Girl, look at the camera. Rice water. Yes, right here. Voila. And I'm going to start it off by rinsing it on my hair first. And I'm not going to wash it off when I rinse it. Rice water smells, okay? Ça stink. Ça pue. It's like a solo makasi. I don't like the smell of it, but hey, we need it to grow our hair. So we're going to go through whatever we got to go through. Okay, so I rinsed my hair with rice water with the conditioner. I just put a little bit of conditioner, and then I'm going to reapply the conditioner inside of my hair. I'm going to be using main tail conditioner. Je vais utiliser ce produit ici parce que la première fois que j'avais fait ça, j'avais rincé mes cheveux avec l'eau de riz. Après ça, je vais rentrer avec ça. Je vais refaire ça à mes cheveux. I'm going to put it on the side where my hair needs to be targeted, which is the back, the side, my edges, and then I just massage my hair. Porosity, so I have to make sure that I'm massaging my hair really well so it can get in. So next I'm going to be using a hair cap. Mama. So I said by the hair cap, huh? We're going to use a trash bag because we didn't have a hair cap. That wasn't even a hair cap. So everything I do it for goods, okay? Okay. So I'm going to use a trash bag and I'm just going to utiliser chasser ici. Et puis je mets ça dans mes cheveux. Et I'm just going to leave it on for at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Depending on you, maman. Was that bien? And les cheveux, ça va grandir. Your hair is going to grow. Don't worry. Just have faith. So now what I'm going to do after the 15 minutes is up, I'm going to wash my hair with cold water so I can like close in the pores in my head. Yeah, you have pores on your scalp. Amazing. Google it. Google that. And I'm going to use my shirt as a dryer instead of using a towel because towels really restricts your hair out of the product that you put in it. J'utilise pas le swimming parce que le swimming ça dérange mes cheveux, ça enlève tous les produits que j'ai mis et puis c'est pas bien pour tes cheveux. So this is how your hair is going to look like. It's going to be growing because sis, we growing inches. Show them again. Ooh, show them again. Show it. Regarde. Inches. Inches. Yes, inches. I was not expecting that. My fault, y'all. But before I do my protective styling, I like to use rice water because it helps my hair to grow a lot faster. So I use African Best as a leave-in conditioner. It's the growth pomade, and it really helps my hair grow, and it's underneath the protective style. So I just apply that throughout the sections on my hair. Après je mange, I eat, on mange beaucoup. And then I do my protective styling. J'ai dit que j'utilise ces pomades-là avant que je tresse mes cheveux. So personally, for me, I like to use rice water every 2 weeks, depending on the hairstyle that I have. Most of the time, I use it every week. I'll pick a day. If it's deep conditioner day, I use it. If it's Cowash, I use it. So it's either once a week or every 2 weeks. So my hair actually grew from it. So if you like this video, you want to see more hair tips, you vais avoir comment que je grandis mes cheveux. Keep watching my videos and subscribe. It's free subscription. I know the video's out, but I hope you guys have a great day and felt informative enough to subscribe. You know, it's free, huh? It's free.